intense storm in the area right now. We have what appears to be blizzard-like conditions moving in. We've got powerful system moving in. It appears to be the development of a powerful storm that will be headed eastward soon toward Nova Scotia, eventually later tonight, tomorrow morning. It's really picked up over the course of today. We're expecting this to continue for another few hours. It extends for areas of northern New Hampshire, through southern New Hampshire, and for 50% of Maine. It already has a cyclonic area of low pressure located off the coast of Gulf Coast of Maine. Developing storm, and it's giving us quite intense conditions here on the mountain tops right now. So that's what we got.